Okay, so let's solve Advent of Code 2022. Basically, it's a Christmas theme problem solving platform. I've already solved this year's first problem, but let's take a look. How did I do that? We open VS Code here. Okay. I have a utility to read a file name using FS module. Let's just read the file name and stuff. So shoot the solution. Santa's reindeer typically reindeer forbidden. Deliver presents on Christmas. For that day, favorite snack is a special type of star fruit. It only grows deep in the jungle. Hmm. Okay, the elves have brought you on the annual expedition to the grove. We need 50 stars. Okay. Okay, so this is like the basic stuff which they tell you every year to set the theme of the problems. Okay. Now here is the real problem. Jungle must be too overgrown difficult. Okay. As the bushland elves, you can taking inventory of the supplies. One important consideration is food, the number of calories each elf is carrying. Okay, so each elf is carrying food with a particular number of calories. Okay, you have to cross a jungle, I think. Mm, okay, each elf separates their own inventory from previous elf. Okay, okay, so this is basically the food carried by first elf, then a space, then second one. The first one is carrying 3, 4, 5, 6,000 calories. The second one is carrying 4,000. The third one is carrying 11,000 and so on. Yeah, that's what they're basically explaining. You need to know which elf to ask, okay? Okay. So they ask elf which carries the most number of calories. Seems fair, I think. Find elf carrying the most calories. Okay, so let me this will input copy this stuff. Uh, add new input, paste this here. Let's copy this utils 2022. I solved a couple of 2021 problems as well. Let's name it. Let's create a new folder. Day one. Okay. Okay. Day one input goes to day one folder. Yeah, we could move this. .js. Okay. Let's see if we can read. See if we can read the file name calories. Let import the util and want to ES module format. And as I can see, it is in a different folder. So let me import path. Import path. Okay. I'm using the join function from the path package because, you know, Mac and Windows, they are different types of directories format. So this helps to, you know, goes through all of them. For example, if you want to run this code in a Linux-based system, I think Linux has this style of separators, while Windows has this type. So we go to day one, starting from the utils. Read is in the utils. Read from utils to day one, and then one.js. Okay. Day one. Dot. Oh, sorry, I have to read input, right? see if this. No, one. CD in my terminal crashed or something. Wow. See what this read is doing. Just reads a file path with the given file name, and that's it. Okay. Code two one. Okay. The read is successful. I want to convert it into array, so I can do dot map dot split. I've also made another util for that, which basically splits them and maps to all of them and removes any white spaces before or after the element. So let's use that one. Okay. Let's see if it runs out. So what I think is we have to sum up. We have to go from point A to point B. Point A and B being the empty spaces. So we have to find the maximum, right? In the most calories, yeah, we have to find the maximum. So let max equal to 0. Okay. Let it do a simple for loop. Calories dot length. Okay. So suppose okay, let's see, element equal to empty string. Okay, so if we have found an empty string, then what we have to do? Okay, I'm going. I found an empty string. So we have to we should do a sum from the last visited empty string. Okay, so take a variable for that. God, that is a long variable. So from last visited empty string to the current one, which is I. Okay, so calories dot split slice basically, as the name suggests, partition returns a new array. That starting is inclusive but ending is exclusive, so we don't want to add the space. We want to start one after the space and then before the next current space, one after previous space and for next space. So if the current one is 0, so 0 plus 1. If the current one is this one, so from this place, okay, so current one is negative because we have not found it in index yet. So last plus 1. So in the first case, it will be -1 plus 0, 1. And then we have currently found an empty index, so the I. This is the slice of the array, and then we have to sum it basically. So let's use a reduce current element next current plus next starting with 0 sum. And since we have now moved it, so we should also update the last visited empty string as I. So the next time we visit another empty, so we should start from there. Okay. Am I doing this right? Let's see. Hmm. Yeah, I think I'm doing this right. And let's assign it to max. If sum is greater than max. Holy okay, they are strings. So I need to parse them. So I parse them. Current. Okay, let's see now. Yeah, now it is reasonable enough. So this answer was 69289. Okay, yeah. Okay, so for the second part, basically Advent of Code has like two parts of each problem. So the first one and the second one, you may have to do a lot of work or you may have to do very little work depending on the style in which you solve the first problem. So the second one, let's say the second, by the time you calculate, they've already realized that alpha in the most calories might eventually run out of snacks. Yeah, it's obvious. I would like to know the total about top three helps. Okay, so top three as I'm thinking, some are calorie by top three helps. Okay, so instead of last week's arrow, let's make this calories. Let me spell it right. Calories. Some array. Uh, let's simply push the calories of sum of calories of each element to this array. Push sum and let's log. We don't need this max now. Don't need this log now. Holy dot push is not a function. What? Okay, okay. JavaScript. I should have used TypeScript. Oh my god. Nan 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 nan. What? Oh my god, I messed something up. I really messed something up. Instead of max, we need to oh my god. I can't believe I did that. Okay, so last we did empty string in like this should also be there in our next solution, but the max this the value of maximum we are holding, we now need to get the top three maximum. So I was thinking of moving that to an array. So this should be an array. Oh god. Let's see. Okay, now it is something. What if we sort? We need to find the top three. Right? So what if we sort it? Let's do the result. I think this will work because it is JavaScript. We need to look at this new working. This is sorting in a different format than I expected. So bottom to high. So let's give it. Let's try to sort it. Let's enter sort for this nice. See if it now works. It is sorting from high to bottom, so we just need to pick up the top first three and then summit. So okay, slice 0. First inclusive, second index non-inclusive. So 2, 0, 1, 2. Okay, 0, 1, 3, 0, 1, 2. Yeah, second non-inclusive. So let's see what it gives us. Okay, it gives us the top 3 down. We need to sum. We can use the similar reduce. I'm just calling it A and B this time. Okay, result is this much. So I've solved it before. Let's see. So this is the result. I'll be pushing all this 2022 code into repository, and you guys can check that out. And if you think there is a better solution to this one, you can definitely open a pull request, add a comment. If you think I should have done something else, what are your views on that? If you liked it, like and subscribe. Thank you. That's it.